Hey, Magic Data here, and you saw my last fake video, maybe one or two videos ago, from the Pinderella shop. You saw I got these 3 boxes of the Walt Disney World 50th anniversary pins from the Pinderella shop. Those are blind boxes. We're gonna open one in this video, and then more videos with the other 2. We haven't opened these before, and we've gotten only these 3. Actually, I think we got this one and these 4. We're hoping for Figment, Alice, Remy, or Orangebird, or Madame Leona. So pretty much everybody but Big Al, or these ones right here in the middle. So let's open it up and see who we got. Hopefully new ones. Come on. Our box to open. Yeah. 2 pins from every box. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yes! We got Alice on the teacups! New one and one I wanted because I do collect Alice. So, very cute. That has the Walt Disney World, the 50th on the back. So, I'm hoping this one's a new one too. 3, 2, 1. It's Big Al. Or, I think it's Big Al. It's one of the Country Bears, I think. But I'll be using him for trading, but it's still good because these were not the same ones that we've been getting. So I've opened like 2 or 3 boxes of these. So here they are. And stay tuned because we have 2 more boxes to open. But that's all I got for now, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!